यहाँ न्याय हो जाता है। और यही प्रॉब्लम है कि सर पुरुष आयोग आज तक नहीं बन पाया है, और इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज गॉट
हम
नियरली
जो है
60+।
पुरुष आयोग और महिला आयोग की बजाय यदि न्याय की बात करें, न्याय आयोग की बात करें,
नहीं
अरे
नहीं,
भाई
यू
कोई भी गलत,
टू
देखिए कोई भी गलत ना कर पाए भाई, वी शुड गो इनटू महिला और पुरुष,
हाँ,
हर किसी को
नहीं,
न्याय मिलना चाहिए, कोई झूठी रिपोर्ट
करेक्ट
ना कर
करेक्ट
पाए,
सर,
कोई
करेक्ट
झूठी गवाही ना दे पाए।
करेक्ट सर, करेक्ट सर,
सो
correct sir, I fully agree with you. I was just narrating matlab just narrating my views regarding this, ki that see the irony of the situation, that the Indian constitution framed in 1950 now, as on date, are sitting, the president of India is a lady from such a remote background, such a humble lady, and people are fighting for crores and crores. I mean, if you see the ladies, and I'm not giving a specific example, I'm giving generalized term because I'm doing a research work on this. Where what happens is ki a lady in social media will appear in prank. It's very disturbing. They'll appear in this kind of poses, and they'll upload reels, this, that, wear all kind of clothes and all. But when they appear in front of the judge, they'll start crying and shouting, and as if they are the most down to earth beggars in the world. And लोग
देखो
सबूत की
मेरा
जगह
ये
सर उनका आंसू के आंख के
मेरा
आंसू देख के हो जाते हैं।
कर्नल साहब, मेरा ये कहना है कि हर कोई ये कर रहा है, लेट्स नॉट सिंगल आउट एनीबडी।
That's what I said. It's a generic statement. It's not pointed to somebody, but in
इसे
particular, sir.
इसे तो बेसिकली यदि वो झूठी एफआईआर करेंगे, झूठी गवाही देंगे, तो अपन ने कहा ना उसको जेल जाने की व्यवस्था होगी, जेल में
सही
सड़
बात
जाएगा, नौकरी चली जाएगी। सो वी हैव नॉट क्रिएटेड राइट काइंड ऑफ द सेट। बेसिकली हमने तो लॉर्ड्स क्रिएट किए हैं। एज ए डीजी आई वॉज अ लॉर्ड।
है। Exactly, sir.
मतलब कोई मरे तो आई एम नॉट अकाउंटेबल।
Sure, sir.
तो
That's what immediately I gave a call. The moment I saw that message, I said, generally, I'm sorry to say that, the lower cadre police का feedback बहुत गलत है, and I have got a lot of evidences against them, and that is how I got into this thing. It is not that every organization doesn't have one or two fishes in the pond, which was said, but people की लोगों की जो gravity of grievance है वो काफी बढ़ती जा रही है सर, and we are bridging gap between our own organization, which is all uniform. So, when I saw this, I immediately gave a call. I don't know who is this general officer, cadre from police, who is doing this kind of work. I must talk to him. And immediately I picked up my phone and just rang up.
Coming back, we will have a very detailed discussion. I will share a few documents. You go through that, and we will have a longer discussion. Let me come back to my message and the 5 things, that those 5 links are going to transform this nation. So
Roger,
number
sir.
one, you are supposed to download that Crime Free Bharat Mission app. And in app, you go to the about the community, then you can have all kind of the document, all kind of the details, what exactly that mission is trying to achieve. So whatever I have discussed, everything is written over there.
Roger, sir.
And in the same app, down below, there's your profile. So you click on the profile. First of all, you will get auto-generated identity card. It is auto generated, so you need not to request anybody. The moment you join, you are already having the identity card with you, right?
So, Roger, sir.
It is, and thereafter it will give the details about the activity, means how many people you have added and things like that, right? And
Right,
then
sir.
there are the 3 links and 3 options to
Sir.
help you out to add people, and adding the people will put you in the merit list of the 3 kind. So the
Roger.
first option is WhatsApp, and second option is copy link, and third option is the share on any media.
Roger, sir.
Right. So in WhatsApp, I will suggest that you please share with everybody, whomsoever you are connected, whether in the group format or individual format.
Roger, sir.
Right. And second is the copy link. So for the copy link, I recommend that a group should be created of yours, right?
Right, sir.
and that I will be doing at my end for you, right?
Sure, sir.
Okay, so the name of the group is Achhe Bharat Ka Sankalp Samuh, and you are expected to aid your own family members, your own relatives, your own friends, your own neighbors, and all the people you come across till this age.
Roger, sir.
Whosoever number you are having, you are supposed to add them without asking them. There is a
Okay.
condition, you will not ask them, because if you will
Okay.
ask, they will give you the so much of ज्ञान कि आप इतने कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि वो आपको भी कंफ्यूज कर देंगे, और आपको आपको जो मैथिली संगीत बता रहे हैं उनको भी कंफ्यूज कर देंगे. so so the condition is this, कि you add them, and then you जो है ना, the second channel is to subscribe
Sir.
YouTube channel. So the link is Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel. It is having more than 10,000 videos, which is telling the how this country is going to transform, and not only be
Okay.
transformed, it will be जो है ना defeating all political parties and all politicians put together. They will be spending crores and crores, and you,
Okay.
without even spending a single penny, all the politicians of all the political party, they will be defeated. Is it not very surprising?
It's great. You are raising it's a huge army, sir.
Yeah,
Protecting the shield.
that precisely is the concept, right?
Like, correct, sir.
So third link is that is about the WhatsApp channel.
Sir.
So you are requested to join Crime Free Bharat WhatsApp channel. That will help you to get all my feed to you, right, through WhatsApp,
Right.
right?
Right,
And
sir.
next link is of that is the Telegram app. Are you using Telegram app?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to click on the link, and then you will be the part of the main group of Crime Free Bharat Mission.
Okay, sir.
And the last link, that is of my web portal,
Sir.
website. So you can go and peruse the website. It is under construction. All the document they are being uploaded. Once you
Sir.
will have that important, and you can reach out the YouTube channel, everything from the website itself.
Sir, sir.
So this is the way it has to be done, and then
Yeah.
basically this app is creating six
Yeah.
type of the merit list,
Okay, sir.
and merit list is of the adding people. So
Okay.
there are the three type of the marking system.
Okay, sir.
One mark is given for adding a member,
Right, sir.
and since it's adding on digital platform, on virtual platform, that is we have to come out of it. So there's a system that in your group you make a roster, and
Sir.
you are supposed to gather at one place invited by a person on the rotational basis based on
Sir.
the roster.
Roger,
The
sir.
person who will be inviting, he will be getting 3 marks, and
Sir.
the person who will be joining,
Invited.
he will get 1 marks. And
Sir.
at that day, it is he is the hero of the show. So at
Sir.
that day, he will be sharing his link, and whosoever will join from that link, he will get 1 marks for that also. Since
That's
you are
good.
supposed to keep motivated the people who have joined through you, we
Sir.
have given the 3 layers. You are supposed to really motivate them. So it's not that I added Colonel SK Sharma, but
Sir.
I will insist SK Sharma ke please you should add your family members, your relative, and this and that, and then
100%.
whosoever you will add, yeah, that same person will be requested by Colonel Sharma to do the needful, and then and that's why. So there is a three label, right?
Right, sir. Right,
So
sir.
if I added, I will get 1 marks for adding you, right? If you
Sure,
add
sir.
somebody, you will get 1 marks, and I will get 0.15 marks.
Correct, sir.
The second level will you will get that the next person will get 1 marks. Colonel
Sir.
Sharma will get 0.15. I will get 0.1.
Okay, sir.
And the third level, that first person will get 1 marks, second
Sir.
will get 0.15, third will get 0.1, and
Okay.
fourth one will get 0.05. The
Sir.
purpose is that you not only add people, but keep on motivating them to motivate others also.
Sure,
And
sir.
this merit list is created on the basis of these 3 marks. पहला मार्क्स खुद डायरेक्ट ऐड किया, दूसरा इनडायरेक्ट, और तीसरा जो है एक जगह पे इकट्ठा होकर संकल्प लिया,
sir,
right? So this is the
yes, sir,
strategy. This is basically enabling methodology, so that
sir,
we can not remain dependent in the virtual world, but we should meet face to face, take the pledge, and then you are supposed to create a video when you are meeting. So
sir.
मैं अच्छे भारत का संकल्प लेता हूँ, मतलब भाषा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, इट इज वी डोंट वांट
Sir,
टू रियली स्ट्रेटिफाइड इन द भाषा। आत्मा
sir,
दिल
sir.
से निकलना चाहिए, 5 मौलिक अधिकार, 21 महालक्ष्यों वाला अच्छा भारत की मैं शपथ लेता हूँ बस।
जी,
और उसका वीडियो बनाना है, वो वीडियो मुझे भेजना है टेलीग्राम ऐप से, और मैं उसे क्राइम फ्री भारत यूट्यूब चैनल पर अपलोड करूंगा, तो जो लोग